Okay, so now that you've gotten to see Weasley, let's go ahead and take a peek at his best friend, Harry Potter. So this is going to be a special one. It turns white to yellow. It's a very deep yellow. And for people who like to make the sunflower tumblers, this color as a, like where you would put usually the white glitter, it is the most gorgeous thing behind a sunflower. It just really brightens up that cup. So here is Potter. This is, again, it's a white and it'll turn yellow in the sun. Gorgeous sparkle as before. And again, we'll go outside right now and go see what it looks like outside. Okay, so the next color outside we're going to show off is Potter. As y'all remember, inside I told you it was white to yellow. As you can see, it's kind of a golden yellow, almost like a goldenrod color. But it just, this color is great for like sunflower tumblers, stuff like that. But it just quickly changes as the wind blows. So it's nice and yellow when it's in epoxy. It's going to get a little bit darker when it turns. And this one, though, I will tell you, does not react as well under a UV light. But it does, I mean, out in the sun, though, as you can see, it turns a lovely, gorgeous yellow. All right, so we'll go back inside to show you guys the next color, and then we'll come back outside.